Okay, the next basic parameter is top n. So how do you control, okay, how many you want the display to show? We did that in the previous problem, but here I'm going to introduce one more function for us. Okay, so we're going to do a bullet chart. Okay, and okay, so and we want, suppose we want a bullet chart where we're going to compare 2015 sales with 2014 sales. Okay, we did a homework on this. Okay, right? So that's what we're going to do. So so for that, so we have sales, but not separated into 2014 and 2015. So first step is what? Calculated field, right? So create a calculated field and 2015 sales, and you can do an if, right? If function for that. Okay, I'm going to use a different function now, and that is called IIF. Okay, there are two things about IIF. Okay, IIF works like the if function in Excel. So which is, you have a condition, comma, then you put the value of the condition is true, then comma, the value of the condition is false. Okay, so up to that part it's identical to the Excel if function, and then there is one more optional parameter, okay, and that is if the value is null. Okay, if the condition cannot be checked, okay, evaluated, then what happens? So that's the last part. We'll come to that in just a second. So I'm going to, we need to get the year part from order date. So we're going to use the date part function. You remember we did this with the day as the value that we wanted to extract from the date. So, but what we want here is the year. So that's your first option, first parameter, so year. So it's going to take the year part. All right. So order date from what? From order date. Okay. So now that is going to give us the date part function will give us the year. So now we say equal to 2015. Okay. So that is the condition. Date part of order date, okay, the year of the order date, is it equal to 2015? If it is, then it is sales. Okay. Otherwise we're going to do now, and if the condition cannot be evaluated, we want a null then. Okay. Of course, the last part is optional. You didn't have to do that. You can omit that if you don't want it. Okay. So this is another way of setting up a quick if function, if you will. Okay. The previous if function that we looked at is more full form if function. You can have nested ifs in that. Here also you can do nested ifs, but if you want to nest if conditions, it's better that you use the regular if function. It's more readable. Okay, I'm going to highlight that and copy it because I want to use the same code with 2014 for the other sales function. Right? So this is going to give us, so the calculation is valid. So this will give us the 2015 sales, and another one 2014 sales. Okay. Now paste that and change it to 40. So now we have both. All right. Now let's build the visualization. Right. We want 2015 sales. All right, for product name. Okay. We're not going to look at the category or subcategory. So now, of course, when you do that, what you get is a whole bunch of products, because there are lots and lots and lots of products, right? And we will use product category in color. So different product categories will appear in different color. So let's sort this. Okay. So now, if you want reference lines for 2014 sales, okay, so you can't go here, and if you click and you say add reference line, you're not going to see anything there. I mean, you'll see 2015 sales, but you won't see 2014 sales, because 2014 sales is not in the visualization. So you have to bring 2014 sales into the visualization, and we do that by dropping it in detail. So once it is there, then we can go and add a reference line, select 2014 sales, right? We don't want anything. So for each product, so we want the sum here. Oh, this is already sum, sorry. Okay, so we already have sum of we already have the sum of 2014 sales, so this is okay. And let's okay. So we want it per cell, okay, for each cell. So now if you want to filter the top, whatever for 2015 sales, okay, so you go to 2015 sales in measures, okay, and create parameter. All right. And you're selecting 2015 sales because that's what you want to use in terms of determining how many how many products you want to show in the bullet chart. Okay. So 2015 sales, go to parameters, and 2015 sales parameter, well, let's call this top N 2015 sales parameter, right? And you want to set up what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, okay, so you want, and step size 5 or whatever, okay, and click OK. Alright. So now you have to make the parameter visible. So click the down arrow, show parameter control. Okay. Alright. So now we have to move product name into filter. Okay, now we want to filter based on the parameter, right? So you have to now make the connection. Okay, right now the parameter is not connected to how many products you want to be filtered in, right? So you need to move the product name into filter, and then okay, the top tab, all right, here, no, here. So top, that is your top N 2015 filter parameter. So select that. So the value here will come from the value that we select in the parameter. So that's how the connection is made. So right now it shows only 10.